not really much of an intro video, as more of like I'm gonna do stuff and you're just gonna watch me. So I'm gonna set you up while I feed my chickens. So let me put you guys in a particular way so you can watch me be a fairy princess. Hold on. Wait. Let you see the entire view of what I am wearing. Okay, hold on. I can't be walking around here barefooted too much because my chickens... That's ever not. Well, my chickens do like to shit everywhere. So, yeah, this is what I made. I'm a autumn fairy princess. Sorry, I didn't mean to get it on you. I got all my babies fed. Like, it's their afternoon snack. Excuse me, babies. Excuse me. Yeah, it's their afternoon snack, so I figured I will give them their snacks. But yeah, this is actually something I made. This is actually a child's wings. So yeah, I changed it to that. And this is actually cardboard with a tube top, and then these are shorts with actually a child's tutu on, but I actually actually sewed the tutu onto the shorts, and then the leaves I did a hot glue gun, like every single piece. Hi, babies. Yeah, we put the hay on there just so they can like play in it, basically. But yeah, this is my Snapchat avatar. Yeah, I wanted to be a fall fairy, so that's ever not. He likes to know, let everyone know, like, hey, I'm here. This is like the crown that I had. Honestly, like, I think the most I spent on this outfit was probably the clothing for it. Because actually the leaves I got because they were gonna throw, like, they were gonna throw it away. I knew a couple people that were gonna throw some leaves away, so I'm like, why are you gonna throw it away? Just give it to me. And like, this is supposed to be like the top. I'm gonna like save the filter and like kind of like do a, you know, I guess like before and after. I know you guys are not being mean behind me. Gosh, golly. Oh, this is my Julieta. Oh, and this is my corazon. Yo, you can't see them. Hold on. Come here. Come here. Come here. That's Julieta. And that's corazon right here. I love them so much. Yeah, all my children are right here. I love them so much. And then I got my old lady over there, which is Vicky. She's a pretty girl, but she's up there in age. I don't know if you know, but chickens only, like, I think the longest chicken can live for is like 7 years, I think. You know, it just depends. Like, most chickens, their life expectancy can range depending on how happy they are. And honestly, our chickens live to be a long time. So, yeah. But yeah, I hope you like my outfit. It was more like a DIY slash like, yeah. And like, I didn't do anything with my hair. I just let it like air dry, and then I put some makeup on. You can kind of see it. Just a little bit, just so I won't look tired, because I was tired. Oh no, my crown's coming off. No, it's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna make it work. Oh, actually, that looks kind of cute when it's kind of like as a headband, but it's all right, whatever. But yeah, this is my outfit. I hope you like it. I'm gonna go inside and switch into another outfit because I'm actually, hey, don't eat my toes. I'm actually going to do a couple of more. So like, if you see the same makeup for like a different day, I take showers, so we're all good. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. I honestly spent all night doing this for you guys because I wanted you guys to see that I can do it. And you can kind of see the sparkles of this. It's kind of shiny. I like it a lot. But okay, I'm gonna get out of this because I gotta go to the store and grab a couple of things, and then yeah. But I hope you like this video. It was very random. This is basically you came with me while I fed my chickens. Not so much of a thing. I just figured, because the backyard is kind of like autumn kind of ish. So yeah, we're all here. It's snack time. Alright, I'll talk to you later. And stay hydrated and have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you guys watch this. Alright, bye.